With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so here's the question: how is detritus decomposed step by step by the different agents and made available as a nutrient to the plant? Explain. So the detritus or the decomposition, we will study about the decomposition. So decomposition, basically it starts from the litter fall. What is a litter fall? The dried leaves or the plant parts that has been fallen off. From that we will start. Okay, so that these part are called as the, what are these? They are called the detritus. Now it is not necessary whether these litter will be from the plants only, it can be animal also. It can be any organic part of the organism, plant or animals. Now this detritus, it will be decomposed by the organism, and those organism are called as a detritivorous. The organism will be called as the detritivorous. Now example for the detritivorous is like earthworm. So the cycle will start from the first step, that is this detritus will be broken out into small pieces, which is called as the fragmentation. So the leaves will be broken out down into the smaller pieces, called as these fragmentation. Smaller pieces. Now from the smaller pieces, what will happen? These fragmentations or these smaller pieces will be by the process of the leaching, water soluble inorganic. So the next process is the leaching. So in the leaching, what is happening? Water soluble inorganic matter. So this will be, or inorganic matter or nutrients will go down into the soil. Now what will happen? And they will get precipitated as the available salt. So they will get precipitated as the available salts for the plants. Now there will be action of the bacteria. Of course the bacteria will be there. Whatever left behind, the inorganic matter has gone down, but we are left with the small particles over here, that is the organic matter. On this organic matter, there will be action of bacteria and the fungus. So this bacteria and fungus will further break down this, and this is called as the catabolism. From the catabolism, what will happen? There will be movement towards the next step, and that next step is the formation of the humus. So humus will be formed, and this step is called as the humification. What is a humus? Humus is nothing but it is a dark colored amorphous substance. It is a dark colored amorphous and substance which is resistant to. This is resistant to the action of bacteria. And because of this, it will undergo decomposition at a very slow rate. So it will undergo decomposition at a very slow rate, and final step is when it will decompose, this is called as the mineralization. The step will be called as the mineralization, and the humus is also available for the plants as a source of the nutrients, and the minerals that will get dissolved in the soil. These are also available for the plants. So how many steps we have? First step, then we have the second step over here. Catabolism is the third one, humification is the fourth one, and mineralization is the sixth step. So total 6 steps are there in the decomposition. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.